Tendulkar. He is one of the most prominent batsmen, was one of the most prominent batsmen of India. And I decided to cover his life and the things that he has done. So I'll begin my speech, movie was I think. In India, cricket is a religion, and Sachin continued. On November 13, 2013, the illustrious career of this man came to an end. Or you can say the curtains were drawn on the illustrious career of this living legend. In his farewell speech, Sachin said, and I quote, "My life has been between 22 yards for 24 years. And it's hard to believe that this wonderful journey is coming to an end. It was equally hard for millions of his countrymen and his fans all over the world to believe that the Indian team would be bereft of this man henceforth." Sachin Tendulkar, Ramesh Tendulkar, was youngest of the four siblings, born to a Marathi novelist on April 24, 1973. Sachin was never a great scholar. It was in fact due to this reason that his elder brother, Mr. Ajit, introduced him to his coach, Mr. Archurekar, to ensure that his bullying tactics in school could be curtailed. Sachin was given his cricketing bat at the age of 11 years, and the world was soon to see a child prodigy. Sachin's first moment of glory came at a young age when he partnered in a world record innings of 644 not out runs along with his schoolmate Mr. Vinod Kambli in an inter-school competition in 1988. APJ Abdul Kalam says, and I quote, "Great dreams of great dreamers are always transcendent." Sachin was always a great dreamer, and his dream of wearing the Indian Test cap was realized in 1989 when India toured Pakistan, and he became the youngest player to not only captain but debut for the Indian team. His journey of cricketing life includes 200 tests and 463 one-day internationals, and he holds about just every batting record there is to hold in this game, including one for the most runs in one-day internationals, the most runs in tests, and also the most runs international runs. He has such staggering numbers in both ODIs and tests that it is conceivable that some of his records may never be broken. One of the most outstanding features of his career has been his consistent performance with a test average of above 50 and of 45 in one-day internationals. One of the biggest accolades for Sachin came from the legendary cricketer Don Bradman when on his 90th birthday party at Kensington Park residence in Adelaide, he said to Sachin that he was the best batsman of today, and he ranked him with Gary Sobers, Barry Richards and Arthur Morris. Winning the ICC World Cup was one of the best moments in his illustrious career. In his speech after winning the World Cup, he said, and I quote, "I'm speechless to be honest, to express myself and how I feel. This is by far the best moment. This is the moment I have been waiting for such a long time, 21 or 22 years. It is really worth every bit of it. It is really, really special." After retiring from active cricket, Sachin said that he now plans to spend more time with his family, who has been waiting for him for 24 long years. Sachin met his wife Anjali at Mumbai International Airport in 1990, and for them it was a love at first sight. After dating for 5 years, in 1995 they decided to get married. After that, Anjali gave up her career as a pediatrician and decided to become a loving and responsible mother to his daughter and son, and a caring and affectionate wife. Their love story is surely inspiring to a lot of young couples who see a strong and committed relationship in their marriage. What makes Sachin stand out amongst the celebrities is his humility and simplicity. True humility is not thinking less of yourself, but thinking less about yourself. True humility is not thinking less of yourself, but it is thinking of yourself less. None other than the legendary cricketer Dennis Lillee said, and I quote, "Sachin is a very humble man. He's the greatest player and batsman to have ever played." The biggest example of his humility was the act of his paying obeisance to 22 yards of Wankhede Stadium pitch after giving his soul-stirring farewell speech. The Daily Telegraph, referring to his farewell speech, wrote, "There has never been a farewell to the sport quite like this. One perfectly designed to induce a billion cheers and a billion tears." There is other human side of Sachin which a very few people know of. He has been quietly sponsoring the schooling and tuition of about 200 kids and aiding the organization providing education to 8 million children who do not have access to education. He decided to divulge this information in public, hoping that this would serve as a genuine source of inspiration to a lot of people. He has been raising funds for schools for underprivileged children and is focusing on education of girl child. A befitting finale to this living legend was conferring of the greatest civilian honor of the country, Bharat Ratna, by the President Pranab Mukherjee on February 4, 2014. True to his character, he dedicated Bharat Ratna to his mother and all the mothers of India. He said, and I quote, "There are millions and millions of mothers of India who sacrifice many things for their children. I would like to share my award with them. No wonder we all dote on him and he remains a demigod to us." I thank you all for coming here and giving an ear to my speech, and thank you.